Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm back with another new video, that is cloud point and PowerPoint. As we already are studying the properties of a lubricant. So this is the second property of a lubricating oil, that is cloud point and PowerPoint. So what should be the value of this cloud point, PowerPoint, how it will affect the lubrication of a given lubricating oil? Fine. So first of all, we will see um, what is this cloud point and what is this pour point. So when an oil is cooled slowly, a temperature is reached at which oil becomes cloudy or hazy in appearance. That temperature is called cloud point. Fine. And what's pour point? After that, the temperature at which liquid ceases to flow is called its pour point. जिस टाइम पे वो सीज होता है उसके फ्लो का होना, तो उसको बोलते हैं pour point. And it is important property of a lubricant for low temperature installations. Now there are some important points. That's if a lubricant is having low pour point during low temperature installations, it means the lubricant can form a stable layer over the metal surface easily, which may stick stably over the surfaces. Fine. Another important point is pour point determines the suitability of the lubricant for low temperature installations, which may be required to start and operate at sub-zero temperature. For example, you can see there are refrigerator plants and aircraft engines where we operate the machine at sub-zero temperatures, and at that point it's very important to check its pour point and cloud point. So therefore it is recommended to select that lubricant for low temperature installation which possesses low pour point. Fine. Now how this cloud point and pour point is determined? So we are determining it with the help of an apparatus that's called a cloud and pour point apparatus. And every chemistry know that what is this cloud point and pour point apparatus. It can be seen in any chemistry lab. Fine. So sometimes it has been found that the presence of wax in the lubricating oil raises the pour point and renders the lubricating oil unfit for use at low temperatures. So in that conditions, what we can do, we can remove those impurities or waxes by certain methods. Fine. What are these impurities? There can be different impurities in the oil that can render it as a lubrication and a cloud point and pour point. Also, these impurities can be removed by different methods. For example, we have dewaxing. In this, you can see the process. What is that? You can pause the video and check what is dewaxing. We have solvent refining. Fine. And इसमें भी आप देख सकते हो, वीडियो पॉज करके पढ़ सकते हो क्या है सॉल्वेंट रिफाइनिंग जो लैब में होता है प्रोसेस, तो यहाँ आप पढ़ सकते हो एंड we can do it in the lab. Fine. And by this method we can remove asphaltic, naphthenic and resinous impurities. Fine. And last we have acid refining. Acid refining में क्या करते हैं, हम ट्रीट करते हैं वैक्सीड ऑयल जो है जिसमें वैक्स होता है उसको ट्रीट करते हैं कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ, and some of the impurities are dissolved while others convert into sludge. Fine. The sludge is जो sludge पीछे रहता है उसको हम फिर फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस से रिमूव कर सकते हैं. कैसे? उसको हम ट्रीट करते हैं सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन के साथ. उससे क्या होता है, उससे एक्सेस एसिड रिमूव होता है. फाइन. सो these are the this is the cloud point and pour point, and as an engineer, as a chemist, we must know, we must check cloud point and pour point before you go for the lubrication of a given lubricating oil at low temperature installations. Fine. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.